Meet Sam. They have been learning to code for a while now, but there is one thing they have been putting off: creating a GitHub profile. Sounds familiar? Well, Sam, today is your lucky day. If you are like Sam and asking the same question, let me tell you, GitHub isn't just for coding pros. It's your new best friend. Whether you are just starting out or building your career, a GitHub profile is your digital home for everything code related. GitHub is the world's largest code hosting platform, but it's more than just a place to store your code. It's where developers collaborate, learn, and showcase their work. Think of it like this: your GitHub profile is your coding resume. It's a place where potential employers or fellow developers can see what you have built, how active you are, and what you're passionate about. Creating your GitHub account. Ready to dive in? Let's start by creating an account. Head over to github.com and click sign up. Don't worry, it's easy. Pick a username that feels right. It could be something professional like Sam Dev or a fun variation of your name. Just remember, this is how people will recognize you on GitHub. That you're signed in, it's time to make your profile shine. Upload a friendly profile picture, whether it's a professional headshot or a fun avatar. Let people know who you are. Next, write a short bio. You don't need to be a Shakespeare here, but add a little about yourself. Are you a Python lover, a web developer in training? Share your passion. Keep it casual. Just like introducing yourself at the coding meetup, your bio is a quick way to tell people what you are into. Bonus points if you add links to your personal websites or LinkedIn. Now for the fun part, creating your first repository. Repositories are like folders that hold your projects. Whether it's your first Python script or your to-do list app, you will create a repo to store it. Give your repo a clear descriptive name, like first Python project. A good description helps anyone who finds your repo understand what it's all about. Your very first repository is live. Now let's add some code to it. Here's where the magic happens. To upload your code, click Add File and either upload a file or create a new one directly on GitHub. GitHub uses commits to track all your changes. Every time you update your code, you will commit it with a message. A good commit message could be something like initial commit, added hello world.py. GitHub makes it easy to track every changes in your code. It's like having a journal for your coding journey. GitHub is also a place to collaborate. See a project you like, fork it, want to fix a bug or improve the documentation, contribute. This is how you get involved with a global coding community. By contributing to other projects, you are not only learning about building your coding reputation, plus it's a great way to practice and grow as a developer. And just like that, you have created your first GitHub profile. Whether you are coding solo or collaborating with others, GitHub is your place to shine. Now that your profile is up and running, keep building, keep committing, and most importantly, keep coding. Your next project could be a ticket to landing that dream job or making an impact in the tech world. Like this video, smash that subscribe button for more tips, tutorials, and coding advice. Let's keep this coding journey going.